Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your easy fry and grill Tefal. First, unbox your appliance and place it on a stable, heat-resistant surface. Ensure proper ventilation around the unit. Before first use, wipe down the basket and grill plate with a damp cloth and mild detergent, then dry thoroughly. Plug in the appliance and get ready to explore its versatile cooking options, from crispy air frying to perfect grilling, all in one convenient device. Let's dive into air frying. For best results, always preheat your easy fry and grill for about 3 to 5 minutes. Place your ingredients into the air fry basket, making sure not to overcrowd it, which allows for even cooking. You can choose from several preset programs, like fries or chicken, or manually adjust the temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius and the cooking time for your specific recipe. Remember to shake the basket halfway through for uniform crispiness. Now, let's explore the grill function. Simply remove the air fry basket and insert the die-cast grill plate into the appliance. It's crucial to preheat the grill plate for a few minutes to ensure it reaches the optimal temperature for searing. This step helps create those beautiful grill marks and locks in the flavors of your food. You can grill various items, from juicy steaks to fresh vegetables, achieving delicious results with minimal effort and mess. Keeping your easy fry and grill clean is simple. First, always unplug the appliance and let it cool down completely before you begin cleaning. The air fry basket and the grill plate are both dishwasher safe, or you can easily wash them by hand with warm, soapy water. For the main unit, just wipe the exterior with a damp cloth. Never immerse the electrical unit in water. Regular cleaning ensures your appliance remains in excellent condition for many delicious meals to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.